Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta RR7455. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users experience the issue of their Rowenta RR7455 vacuum cleaner not holding a charge. This can happen due to a faulty battery, which may degrade over time with regular use. If left unfixed, this problem can lead to complete device failure, rendering your vacuum cleaner useless. To get started on this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery compatible with the Rowenta RR7455, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your vacuum cleaner is unplugged and turned off for safety. Begin by removing the dust container and any attachments. Next, locate the screws on the base of the vacuum cleaner. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, setting them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing of the vacuum cleaner using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips holding the casing together. Inside, you will find the battery compartment. The faulty battery can typically be identified by any swelling or unusual signs. Carefully disconnect the wires attached to the battery, taking note of their positions. You can use the tweezers for better grip if the connectors are tight. Now, remove the old battery by simply sliding it out of its compartment. Take your new battery and insert it into the same slot, ensuring the connectors align correctly. Reconnect the wires to the new battery, making sure they are secure. Once everything is in place, gently push the casing back together, ensuring all clips are properly locked in. Replace the screws you previously removed and tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this could crack the plastic. Now it's time to test your vacuum cleaner. Plug it in and allow it to charge for a few hours. After charging, try using it to see if it holds the charge properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean the vacuum and avoid letting the battery completely discharge before recharging. Keeping your vacuum in good condition will prolong its battery life significantly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.